Hi all, welcome back to Odoo 16 Development Tutorials. In this video, let us discuss about reporting PDF reports in Odoo 16. As all we know, reporting helps for the systematic analysis of growth progress of every organization. And Odoo also provides efficient reporting system. So in this video, let us discuss about reporting PDF reports in Odoo 16. Normally in Odoo, the reporting can be done using reporting actions. So today in this video, in our school management module, let's try to create a report for each admission record. So in our custom module school management, here in the report folder, let's try to create a XML view for the report. So I'm just creating school report.xml where I can define the IR actions report, that means report actions which triggers for printing the reports of student admission. So inside the Odoo, then after this report file, let's add one more tag, that is file name equal to binding model ID. And then inside the reference, we can add the model. So my model is school student. That means I need that print option inside the school student. So I added the binding model ID. And then next one is binding type. So binding type which is report. So I added binding type. So those IR actions report which is completed, that means inside the record IR actions dot report, I added every parameter such as name, model, report type, report name, etc. And then let's define the particular template, that is report student, where we can define the each student details and our particular header tag, or we can apply styles, everything. So I'm just creating a new XML file also as student template. And then inside the Odoo tag, I'm just defining the template. First of all, I'm just defining the template ID is that the ID, the name that we passed on the IR actions report. So it is report student. So I'm just defining it as report student. And then inside this template, we can call whatever the styles that we needed, like as external layout, internal layout, headers, tag, etc. First of all, I am just defining the HTML container. So tt call. Using this t call, we can call the defined view already exists in the default Odoo. So I am just defining the web.html container. Then I am also defining the web.external layout. That a layout for my report. Then inside the layout, I can add div class equal to page. Inside the page, I can define the header or whatever I needed. So I just define a header. So simply the template is also defined. And then those created IR actions report and then template can be called in the manifest. So in this manifest, I'm just defining its inside the data as like as inside the report. So those IR actions report and the template is defined. And then let's run the PyCharm and then go to the UI. And the view that we have created inside the XML, so we need to upgrade the module. So I'm just simply upgrading the module. Once the module is upgraded, let's try to open one record. So I just open a record and here we can see the printing option is available at here. And on this printing option, the name that we added to our IR actions report, that is student admission. Let's click on the student admission. And here the report that we have generated is printout. And if we need to add further more details such as student details, student address details, everything can be added inside these templates. And inside the templates, by for example, I am just loop through all records, TT for each, and then call it as T as equal to O, and then calling the name as, and then call the student as, O.name, which is the name of the student, and then run the PyCharm upgrade the school management module. And here in the printing option, let's try to print out this student admission report, and it is successfully printed. And here the name of the student that we have added inside the template is getted here. Likewise, we can call the other fields such as address, admission code, class, division, whatever name needed. Likewise, we can create PDF reports in Odoo 16.